And what is the truth? We are one with God. If God is omnipotent, omniscient, immortal, in God there is eternal peace and bliss, then head to toe whatever exists, it is one with God. Then what we feel is a nature of God. When we meet each other, and how we honor each other, bow down. Why we do this? Because we have lot of praising for you. Your existence is immortal. Okay, this is very deep, forget it. But God is in you. Then I worship God. In worship manner, we cannot hug. If you are hugging, it means we are not worshipping. Therefore, in universal religion, when you will practice Kriyayoga meditation, this lifestyle will be automatic. Bow to each other. Okay, alright, when you bow to each other, it will have many advantages. If I am married to someone, we are living in the simple way in the home, not with all the time with the perfumes and decoration and this and that and lipstick and cream powder. In the home, nobody uses it. When I hug my wife and I hug somebody else in the party, having a lot of decoration and perfume, so many this and that, then we get attracted with that touch. Then we try to ignore wife. That is the big problem. When we stop hugging, this sickness will not come. Therefore, married couple, husband, wife, should never hug anyone. You will find no separation in the family. This bow down. If I bow down, still somebody just go and hug it and don't ignore. Let them do. But we will bow down. And try to push them away, this is insult. Bow down, still they come and grab, okay, no problem. I am the medical person. I never read scripture. I never read any philosophy in my whole life. There was no time to read anything except science. Now I learn everything without reading them. I know Bible, I know Quran, I know Vedas, I know Gitas, because I have experienced it. Somebody has written it from where? They dig out knowledge from ether. You can dig out it. This is what spiritual science is. So simple, so easy. It is easiest, and all sciences are tough. When try to learn it, you will find very easy and very intoxicating with joy and peace. You will never feel bored. You can sit 8 hours non-stop. This is what spiritual science is.